Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. Our skin needs nourishment to stay healthy and smooth. But most of us forget that our scalp is also a part of the skin. Ironically, the scalp needs more nourishment than the rest of the skin. Why? Because it has an extra job of feeding the hair roots as well. Due to lack of proper care and oil massages, the scalp becomes dry and flaky. This is called as dandruff. By the way, I'm enjoying my magic hair growth juice here. You may see its recipe by clicking on the side links or checking out the info box. So a nourished scalp means no dandruff. Today I'm sharing a very effective home remedy to get rid of dandruff and dry hair. If done regularly, this will not only cure dandruff, but also promote hair growth. So let's begin. The first thing we need is vitamin E capsules. These are easily available at all pharmacies, and you may pick any brand you wish. Vitamin E improves the quality and the texture of the hair. It makes the hair shiny and nourished. It also hydrates the scalp and removes dandruff flakes. The second thing is yogurt. This is 1.5 cups of fresh homemade yogurt. I left some fresh milk for fermentation last night and I'm using it now. You may take lesser quantity for shorter hair. Yogurt is an excellent conditioner for scalp. It deeply moisturizes the scalp skin and makes the hair visibly glossy. It is packed with vitamin E and antioxidants that promote hair health. It is also anti-fungal that fights dandruff. The next ingredient is glycerin. I have taken my regular one available at the pharmacies. Nothing too fancy. Glycerin attracts moisture. It will pull moisture into hair cuticle and locks it in, which means it's a fab deep conditioner. It also controls frizz and breakage. It is non-toxic and has no side effects on hair. Using too much of it will, however, make your hair greasy. So we will use around 1 tablespoon of glycerin here. I'm also using castor oil here. Castor oil, I would say, is the most underrated hair oil ever. It has ricinoleic acid and omega-6 essential fatty acid, which improves blood circulation to the scalp, hence increasing hair growth. It fights scalp infection and dandruff. It also reduces split ends and serves as a natural deep conditioner. The next thing is fenugreek seeds. It is also known as methi dana in India, and is known for its amazing hair growth and nourishing properties for the scalp. The seeds contain lecithin component that cure dandruff naturally. Fenugreek is also effective in hair strengthening and controlling hair fall. Fenugreek contains nicotinic acid and proteins that boost hair growth. So here I have soaked around 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds for 8 to 10 hours. They have swelled up almost double in size and will be easy to grind. Make sure you don't soak the seeds in too much water, as we will be grinding them in the same water. Too much water will make the mask too runny and less effective. The last ingredient is an egg. Egg is packed with proteins, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, amino acids and fatty acids, and so much more. It is just the best food for hair and makes it super shiny and soft. I know a lot of my Indian viewers are vegetarians and don't prefer animal products besides the dairy. I totally respect you people, even I don't eat eggs, but occasionally use them in hair. It makes a hell lot of difference. You may replace the eggs with honey if you wish. So let's begin with grinding the soaked fenugreek seeds. I am using a regular blender. Try to grind the seeds with the help of water. They were soaked in. Don't add extra water. So here is the paste. It should be really fine. Not grinding properly wouldn't make a proper mask. Now let's drop this fenugreek paste into the yogurt. Make sure that the yogurt is quite thick, or your mask would be all runny and ineffective. Whip the paste really good to ensure that there are no lumps. Now let's add 1 tablespoon each of glycerine and castor oil. I am eyeballing the quantity. You may use a spoon to measure them. Whip it really well. Time to give this mask a punch of nourishment. With vitamin E capsules. I am using around 5 capsules as per my hair. You can use it accordingly as well. Cut the capsules carefully to extract the secretion out. Give it all a good mix now. Now finally break the egg. And whip till all the ingredients are properly mixed. Once the mask is ready, leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Like so, fenugreek seeds swell and firm up after a while, making the mask thicker and richer. So it's easier to apply and isn't runny at all. Before applying, brush your hair free of tangles. You can use a hair pack brush like so to apply. I however prefer an old toothbrush for the matter of convenience. Dip the brush in the pack. And begin application from roots to length. Apply thoroughly, concentrating on the scalp. Once properly applied, tie your hair up and wear a shower cap. Leave it for at least 2 hours. Shampoo and condition as usual. Fenugreek seeds are difficult to remove from wet hair. However, they shed away easily once the hair is dried. So don't shampoo hard to wash off the fenugreek paste. Do this once a week for visible results. This pack also helps in regrowing lost hair. I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, please subscribe for more videos.